Monday, July 27th. Monsoonal storm. And there's a flood watch in our area. It's so beautiful out there. We've gotten a little bit of moisture and it looks like we have potential rain for a couple hours tonight. Our sunset has been giving a sound and light show. We've got a couple projects we've been working on, but I haven't gone through all of that footage yet. I figured I'd give you guys a nice update here. Wow. We're so blessed. I feel so blessed to have this opportunity to steward the land and experience the Monsoon Rain event here in Arizona, the area that I was born. Arivaca. Wow, I've just fallen in love. Storms just, I don't know, they fill me with a sense of calm, energize me, but uplift me. I don't know, it just feels amazing. And the sunset, wow. 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 I'm just like, I'm gonna go inside because it is fairly unsafe to be out here right now, but it is just so beautiful. It's so hard to wanna back away at all. But just wanted to share this little piece of this with y'all. Let you know we do have more videos coming, a little kind of sneak peek that we've moved some stuff around here, and we will get into those videos in the next day or two. Otherwise, I hope you'll have a wonderful evening. Wow. And much love from Arivaca, and I hope you get to enjoy some of this amazing monsoonal rain in your area. We are wishing the best for all of you, and be safe out there. Much love from Arivaca.